Good morning, this is Matthew from TurtleX, and here this is May 3rd, 2023, and we are here to show you the live trades for the day. So let me tell you a few things about the current market condition. So according to SEBI's report, 50 lakhs account has been added, Demat accounts has been added in the last 3 years, and that's why there has been a huge fund flow in the market, and you can see a very much volatile market because during the COVID times, people were really not working and they were looking for a side source of income, and that's how a stock market has come into the mainframe. I would really say that because stock market was not that relevant in between the individuals of between the age of 18 to 24 or maybe 18 to 30, or those who are not into investments and all, people wouldn't consider stock market as a side as a source of income. So let me tell you a few things about the current market condition. So Nifty is trading around 18,100 something, and 18,200 to 270 is actually a very good resistance. So what happened is you have seen a very good decline in the market in the last few months, and from there it has started moving up in the last few weeks. So once that movement happened, all the new traders or investors are expecting a bull run in the coming days. So right now what you can see is the market can go up, the market can go down, and also if you are really bullish, the market is technically dead right now because yesterday also Banknifty was moving in a range of 120 points, not even 120 points, 110 points, which is completely not acceptable as a trader because this is not what you have been seeing in the last 3 years. So right now, options buyers especially, what you have to do is you have to save your capital. Instead of making more money, you have to save your capital, and that's what you have to do in the current market. And if you really can make some profits in the current market, then you can definitely make a very good amount of money, or you can actually trade in any of the markets in the coming years. So stay tuned to our videos, you will get trade ideas from us. So subscribe to the channel and please watch the video further. Thank you.
Second May was a roller coaster ride, and as you can see here, Banknifty opened it yesterday at 43,272 and it made a high of 43,483. So if you look at the day range, it has been consolidating between a range of around 130 points, which is not at all acceptable as an options buyer. So, but again, it has given, or it has made some amazing highs and lows right on the demand and supply zones, so that traders or individuals can take proper trades with proper confirmations. So that's what that's what the best thing about yesterday's market. So here it opened on a very much gap down of around 150 points, that is pre-market is 43 140 154. So today we will only trade on reversals because this is looking at the 1 hour chart. We can see that, Bank Nifty, after a certain decline, it started moving up. So it broke the it broke the high, and again, it broke the trend line, and it further moved up, and it made a movement of around 200 points, and there it went up to 43,500, close to 500, and then it took a stop. So today probably we will see a downward movement in the market. So if there is a rise after, even if after the gap down, if market is moving up, then we'll see a considerable downward movement in the next half. So only once this level is broken, so the market has opened, we'll go to 5-minute chart. So right now, if market takes a resistance around this point, then we can go for a buy in PE side, or else this is the area of consolidation for the day. So let's wait for the first 30 minutes to see where the market goes, and then we'll enter into a trade. The resistance in intraday. Market has moved down to 43,082, and it has taken a support there because there was a swing high which is made on 24th January. It was there, and that's why Bank Nifty has taken a support at that point and tried to move up. But again, now we can see that it is slowly progressing down. Let's wait for the first few minutes, and then we'll conclude and take a trade. So let's wait. And the strike prices that I've chosen for the day are 43,400 PE and 43,000 C. So Bank Nifty has taken a resistance at the day high. So I have taken a small trade considering the stop loss as day's high. So the candle is falling down. So once it touches this trend line, I'll probably close my position, or I'll just go for a scalp in this. So this is my position. So this is how my position looks like right now. Bank Nifty has moved up a bit. Mine was a bit early entry because I want to execute the trade and wait for it, or maybe average towards this side, or maybe carry forward to the next day. So the area would be on Friday market has moved up and it made a consolidation at this point. So the low of this point and the high of this point can act as a supply zone for the day, because yesterday also market tried moving down further above below this point, but it couldn't sustain below this. So this area will act as an important resistance area. So we'll wait for it and we'll see what happens. If this is broken, we'll book our losses, or else we'll wait for the market to reverse. So ideally I'm expecting market to reverse from this point. We'll have to wait for this low to be broken for Bank Nifty to strongly fall down to the lower side. That is, if this is broken, we can expect Bank Nifty to go to the day low, and from there we can expect Bank Nifty to go to 43,000, which will have a good amount of call OI build up, and also it can act as a psychological support. This area has acted as a double top, and now Bank Nifty is slowly moving down. So again, if this low is broken, then we can see a considerable downward movement. But again, until this low or this low is not broken, then we will not be in a break even, and we will be in a loss of around 18,000 to 20,000. And also, if this low is broken, then we can certainly see Bank Nifty coming down to the day's low. Exactly as I said, Bank Nifty has taken a small resistance around yesterday's low. Not yesterday's low, yesterday's evening Bank Nifty has gone down from the level, and it has taken a resistance at 43,284. So today market opened in a gap down, it moved up to take a resistance at this point, and if this resistance is sustaining, that means if it is not broken and if it is not moving up beyond 43,300, then we can expect Bank Nifty to move down to 43,200, 43,160 and 43,125. Yes, let's wait for Bank Nifty to take the reversal. As I have mentioned earlier, I was pretty sure of Bank Nifty falling from this level, even though I have taken my trade from here because I couldn't, even though it was a bit too impulsive. I was sure about taking the trade and waiting for a long day, or I was planning to average from this point, but again I was not planning to average because again I was a bit caught up for the day. So yeah, if this low is also broken, then we can see a considerable downward movement in Bank Nifty. So the levels will be 43,200, 43,100 and 43,000 if Bank Nifty breaks all of these lows. If this is broken, 100. If this is broken, also 100. And if this is broken, we can see Bank Nifty going to 43,000. So if you had followed this, or if you follow this kind of trade, then easily you could have made around, you could have taken or you could have captured around 40 points in Bank Nifty, which means if you have 500 quantities, or if you have a capital of 1.6 lakhs in this particular strike price, you could have easily made 20,000 rupees. So right now you can see that I went down to a loss of around 47,000, and right now I have bounced back to 28,000, which means clearly a 20,000 rupee was 20,000 rupee profit could have been captured. So yeah, let's see, Bank Nifty should move down below 43,210 or below this low, and it should sustain below this low in order for us to confirm a further downward movement. But looking at the overall pattern, we can expect that Bank Nifty is going to go down in the coming days, in the coming hours in the market on 3rd May 2023. Yes, if this low is broken, we can expect this low also to be broken, and from there Bank Nifty will fall down to break or touch this level, and from here it goes down to 43,000 is what we can see. So here, why Bank Nifty took a support is because of yesterday's high. I mean, on Friday there has been a resistance at this point, and also if you look back, you'll still find more supports at that particular level. So yeah, price action is the only key that you have in this kind of market. No indicators, no candles, no indicators, no smart money concepts will work here. So yeah, that's it. Our PNL has slightly came into positive when Bank Nifty touched this point. So if we assume that this is a falling 3 pattern, then we might be able to book some good profits for the day. So this is how my PNL looks like right now, and it has gone up to plus 1,800 or something, and now it has reversed because there has been a sudden spike from the low which has been made here. Since this low was broken, and since this high is again not broken, we can until this high is not broken, the position towards the long, I mean the short side is safe. So yeah, let's just wait and see what's going to happen. Anyways, I won't be booking my losses right now. I'll be just waiting for back market to touch 43,100, then 43,50 and 43,000. So we can see that Bank Nifty has taken a double bottom kind of pattern here, and then it tried to move up from this point, that is around 43,109. And clearly, as you can see here, Bank Nifty has the tendency to break above this previous high, and if this high is broken, then we could see some upward movement in Bank Nifty. So our PNL is almost like this right now. We have touched break even at some point, but I didn't book it because I was sure about the downward movement. But right now we should be very careful about this, and maybe probably once it reaches negative 18,000 or negative 17,000, I'll book my losses and I'll end the trade for the day.